Imagine having a workspace where your ideas, scripts, research, and tasks organize themselves automatically with AI. Sounds like something futuristic, right? But the crazy part is that most of the people have already access to it and still don't use it properly. Today I'm going to show you how you actually use Notion AI in a practical way, and by the end of this video we'll build a complete AI powered YouTube content planner together. So keep watching because this is one of those tools that can completely change how you work. So first of all, let's open Notion. I'll come to my Google account and open my browser. First of all, we'll search Notion AI. And there would be many websites about Notion AI, but you have to go to www.notion.com. After going to it, you have to sign in, but I won't because I have an account already. Okay, so I will just sign in and I would be directed to Notion's dashboard. So first of all, you have to go to new page. Okay, you have to make a new page. And my new page has already been made, so I would write a title about what it would be saying, that YouTube content planner. Okay, you can name it anything depending on what your mind creativity said. Okay, and the next thing is I am going to generate and make the system automatic. Okay, where the AI begins. Okay, inside this blank page I'll type /AI or simply press space and choose ask AI. Okay, how to do it? I'll just go to here, press space, and there would be coming ask AI. I would ask AI to generate 10 YouTube video ideas about AI tools for beginners. Okay, and I would hit enter. Okay, here it has written us that, so after we got our whole of the page data, we are not gonna stop now. But ideas alone aren't enough. We need a system automatically. So now I'm going to create a table to organize everything. I'll type /table like this, and here would be a table coming, and here would a table overview would come. Okay, in the first column we have to write YouTube video idea. Okay, so now let's try another feature. I am going to say Notion AI to generate the script and the thumbnail. Okay, so the video idea would be pasted by this. We have to just copy it and paste it. Now I would go to the bottom right corner and it would say, hi, it's Notion AI. I'd open it and here it is a completely new interface. Okay, so I would say it generate a script and thumbnail text for the YouTube video idea. As I click enter, it would begin to crafting, discovering, and everything that it want to do with our project. Okay, so basically while it's doing its work, let me explain you briefly that what is Notion AI. It's basically a place where you can store notes, manage projects, and organize your entire digital life. Okay, so it has given us the total script and the thumbnail text idea. I am showing the changes and displaying the taskbar. It has given us the Gen Z style YouTube video idea, the script, what we have to say, and the thumbnail text. And it has also given us alternatives. That's pretty awesome. The next feature of Notion AI. I'm going to paste some random notes here on the page, just messy thoughts and information. Then I highlight the text and click Ask AI and choose Summarize. Watch this. Notion AI would convert the messy paragraphs into clean bullet points. Okay, so for the practical application, I would write that. Okay, so I will just highlight it and summarize. Okay, so it is pondering and doing the work, and now it has given us what YouTube is: a popular video sharing and search platform used by billions of people, giving creators an opportunity to showcase their skills. So it is a very good thing to try out, and it is very good for converting messy paragraphs into clean bullet points, and it is useful for researching or studying something and if you want quick summaries, you can use it. If you're finding this useful so far, do me a small favor. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I regularly share practical AI tools and tricks that can save you hours of work. Also comment below if you have ever used Notion before, or if this is your first time seeing it. Your comments actually help me decide what tutorials to make next, and sharing this video might help someone else discover a powerful tool they didn't even know existed. But the video didn't end right now. We have to continue our building system. I'm going to copy the script that Notion AI generated earlier and paste it below. Now I'll ask the AI to turn this script into a YouTube description and 5 clickable thumbnail titles. Okay, just click this messy thing and just copy this all. Okay, we have to copy like this, and the script. Okay. To paste it, here's the hook, and I would say wait a minute. I have to say that create a description out of this. I'd hit enter and it is doing its work, and instead of writing everything manually, the AI helps you repurpose your content instantly. Now, as it has given us the overview of updating the page, bring it, and wait a minute, it has given us the description right now. It says that this are the changes that I did. Okay, wait a minute. Description: confused about AI? In this beginner friendly video I explained very good. And the 5 clickable thumbnail text ideas, AI tools, Strategia, I explained very good. Now as it has given us the thing, now imagine this workflow. You generate ideas with AI, organize them in database, generate scripts automatically, summarize research, and even create description and thumbnail text, all inside one workspace. This is what makes Notion AI so powerful. It's not just an AI that gives answer, it actually helps you build a complete productivity system. So in this video, we created a page, generated video ideas, built a database, used AI to generate thumbnails and scripts, and summarize notes and repurposed contents. And all of this happens inside one single tool called Notion AI. If you start using Notion AI like this, it can become your personal command center for projects, studying, content creation, and organizing your content. But the thing is that in fact I am also using it for my content creation and making my objects, making my things in my life, making my task in my life very faster, and it is very good thing for the content creators. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves AI tools or productivity hacks. I'm constantly testing new AI technologies, and on this channel I share the ones that are actually useful in real life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we explore another powerful AI tool that most people are still sleeping on.